Join me as I challenge myself to create 10 deliciously healthy snack combos that you can whip up in no time. Healthy snacking. It's something we all strive for but often struggle to achieve. We know it's important, but sometimes it feels like a chore, and we end up reaching for those unhealthy options instead. You know the feeling. You're hungry, you need something quick, and before you know it, you've opened a bag of chips or a box of cookies. It's easy to fall into the trap of unhealthy snacking, especially when we're busy or stressed. But the truth is, healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With a little creativity, you can create delicious and nutritious snacks that will keep you going all day long. Today, I'm sharing 10 game-changing snack combos that will revolutionize the way you think about healthy eating. From sweet treats to savory munchies, these combos are easy to make, packed with nutrients, and most importantly, deliciously healthy. 1. Apple slices and almond butter. Let's kick things off with a classic combo that never goes out of style. Imagine the crisp crunch of apple slices combined with the creamy, nutty goodness of almond butter. Not only does this snack taste amazing, but it also packs a punch of fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. Apples provide a natural sweetness and hydration boost, while almond butter delivers protein and energy. Want to elevate this combo? Sprinkle a dash of cinnamon on top for a flavor explosion. This snack is portable, quick to prepare, and perfect for curbing those midday cravings. 2. Greek yogurt and berries. When you're looking for something refreshing, Greek yogurt paired with berries is a match made in snack heaven. The yogurt is creamy, tangy, and rich in probiotics that support gut health. Add a handful of mixed berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, for an antioxidant boost. The best part? This snack feels like a dessert but is low in sugar and high in protein. Want to make it even better? Drizzle a little honey or sprinkle some granola for added texture. It's the perfect pick-me-up for any time of day. 3. Carrot sticks and hummus. Who says snacking can't be crunchy, creamy, and satisfying all at once? Carrot sticks and hummus are here to prove otherwise. Carrots provide a satisfying crunch and a dose of beta-carotene for healthy skin and eyes. Hummus, made from chickpeas, offers protein and healthy fats that keep you full. Don't stop at carrots. Try dipping cucumbers, celery, or bell peppers for variety. This snack combo is not only tasty, but also an easy way to sneak more veggies into your diet. 4th, rice cakes with avocado and everything bagel seasoning. If you think rice cakes are bland, this combo will change your mind. Take a plain rice cake, smash some ripe avocado on top, and sprinkle everything bagel seasoning over it. The result? A savory snack that's crunchy, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Avocado adds a dose of healthy fats and fiber, while the rice cake keeps it light and satisfying. It's perfect for a quick snack or even a light lunch. Want a pro tip? Add a sliced boiled egg or a drizzle of hot sauce for extra flair. 5. Dark chocolate and almonds. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need something sweet. Instead of reaching for a candy bar, go for a couple of squares of dark chocolate paired with a handful of almonds. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and has a deep, satisfying flavor. Almonds add protein, healthy fats, and a crunchy texture that balances the smoothness of the chocolate. Together, they create a snack that feels indulgent without the guilt. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cacao for maximum health benefits. 6. Hard-boiled eggs and cherry tomatoes. Simple, portable, and packed with nutrition. This combo is a winner. Hard-boiled eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients like choline. Pair them with juicy cherry tomatoes for a burst of natural sweetness and a dose of vitamin C. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, pepper, or paprika on the eggs for added flavor. This snack is perfect for busy mornings, post-workout recovery, or when you need a quick energy boost. 7. Cottage cheese and pineapple. Cottage cheese and pineapple might sound unconventional, but trust me, it's a game changer. The creamy, slightly tangy cottage cheese pairs beautifully with the sweet, juicy pineapple chunks. This combo is rich in protein and provides a natural energy boost from the fruit's natural sugars. If pineapple isn't your thing, try swapping it with peaches or mangoes for a similar flavor profile. This snack is a tropical treat that'll transport your taste buds to paradise. 8. Whole grain crackers and tuna salad. When you're craving something savory and filling, look no further. Spread a scoop of tuna salad over whole grain crackers for a snack that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and complex carbs. The crackers provide a satisfying crunch, while the tuna salad offers protein to keep you full. Add a slice of cucumber or a dash of hot sauce to level up the flavor. It's the perfect balance of taste and nutrition. 9. Banana and peanut butter. This combo is a fan favorite for a reason. Slice up a ripe banana and drizzle it with peanut butter for a snack that's both nutritious and indulgent. The natural sweetness of the banana pairs perfectly with the creamy, nutty flavor of peanut butter. This snack is loaded with potassium, healthy fats, and just the right amount of carbs to fuel your day. For an extra treat, sprinkle some chia seeds or dark chocolate chips on top. 10. Popcorn and nutritional yeast. Who doesn't love popcorn? It's light, crunchy, and surprisingly healthy when made the right way. Air pop some popcorn and sprinkle it with nutritional yeast for a cheesy, savory flavor without the dairy. Nutritional yeast is a great source of B vitamins and adds a depth of flavor that's totally addictive. This snack is perfect for movie nights or when you're craving something crunchy but low calorie. Let's talk about 2 standout snack combos that really stole the show for me. The first one is banana slices with peanut butter and a sprinkle of sea salt. This classic combo is a game changer. The potassium from the banana pairs perfectly with the healthy fats from the peanut butter, and the sea salt adds a touch of sophistication. The second combo that really impressed me is cottage cheese with sliced cucumber and a sprinkle of dill. This refreshing snack is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it the perfect way to recharge and refuel. So, there you have it. 10 deliciously healthy snack combos that will inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and take control of your health. Remember, healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. It's all about finding the right combinations that work for you. Don't forget to try out these snack combos and share your own favorite combinations in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips and tricks, be sure to tune in to my next video where I'll be sharing even more ideas to get you on track to a healthier, happier you.